Oh, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. So many dreams, yeah, in my life. I dream a lot of things in my life. You dream, I dream. They dream, we dream. Cause we don't be satisfied for what we have. We have different dreams in our life. We dream of getting rich, being famous, being scholars and so. We dream those ordinary dreams, forgetting that one day we'll leave this world. We will go with no dream, we dream, yeah. Sorrowful, yeah. My biggest dreams to see you, seeing you be my wish, but no one is like you. I wish to see you, seeing you be my wish, but no one is like you. And I wish to face the prophet Muhammad and be with him in Jannah. I dream of freedom, I dream of peace of mind, I dream of love, supernatural love, and everything I have makes me long for more. And the more that I have, the more I long for more. So this makes me realize that this world will never satisfy my heart, no matter how much I obtain. So my dream for Jannah grows day by day, and I pray to Allah to guide me all the way till I make it to His paradise, the home of satisfaction. My biggest dreams to see you, seeing you be my wish, but no one is like you. I wish to see you, seeing you be my wish, but no one is like you. And I wish to face the prophet Muhammad and be with him in Jannah. On this side, we are just passing by, like a river from the mountain, and never can water turn back to the town. We dream the dream that can never save us from the never different with you whoa. Your worth will never follow you, relatives won't save you, only your deeds will do you good or bad. So now is the best time to work for your Jannah. Remember Allah, He will remember. My biggest dreams to see you, seeing you be my wish, but no one is like you. I wish to see you, seeing you be my wish, but no one is like you. And I wish to face the prophet, I wish to face the prophet and be with him in Jannah. I can see the angel of death all the way to grab my soul. Since my time is over now, it's time to leave and I must go. The chilly wind begins to blow within my soul from head to toe, and lungs breathless my lips. Oh Allah, but if my time is over, it's my soul, Allah, as I fly away in another life, so I'm leaving. this life is worthless if you don't put Allah first. Love each other, keep your faith. Don't let shaitan be your friend. Swallow the key to unlock your paradise. Yeah. If you see my burden shaking, never cry tomorrow. You should remember every soul shall taste the day